We use the software Paint to draw and paint on the computer. In the same way, we use Word to write text on the computer. You already know how to write in your notebook. Now, learn to make your notes on the computer. In computers, we type using the keyboard rather than writing on paper. You can type your notes as well as questions and answers in MS Word. You can prepare a list of phone numbers of your friends. You can also type letters and messages. Each of these are called documents. Caution: never use duplicate or pirated software. Use original software only. What is MS Word? MS Word is an application software used for word processing. A company called Microsoft has made the program MS Word. That is why it is called Microsoft Word or MS Word. Microsoft Word 2010 is a part of Microsoft Office 2010, which is a group of application software that are generally required in an office. Word processing means typing, editing, and formatting text. Word processor is a software that allows you to produce documents quickly and efficiently by providing the user features like typing, editing, formatting, and checking spellings and grammar. Features of MS Word. It provides editing and formatting features that make it easy to produce personal and business letters, reports and manuals, newsletters and brochures. It provides ready-to-use graphics called clip art, which can be inserted in the text as required. It allows you to make changes in a document by adding, deleting, and moving text from one location to another. It allows you to cancel the changes if you do not like them. It offers many formatting features that allows you to change the appearance of pages, paragraphs, and characters. A spell check feature allows you to find and correct spelling mistakes in the typed text. A grammar check improves the accuracy of sentences in a document. It can print the document as many times as you want. It allows you to preview the print document, which means to see how it will look like after printing. Starting MS Word. To open MS Word, follow these steps. Click on Start. Click on All Apps. Choose Microsoft Office. A list of programs appears that are part of MS Office. Click on Microsoft Word 2010, version 2010 or above. To create a shortcut of MS Word, drag and drop the icon on the desktop. Next time, just double-click the icon to open MS Word. When you first start Microsoft Word 2010, you may be surprised by what you see. The menus and toolbars in some earlier versions of programs have been replaced with the ribbon. Word opens a blank document with the temporary name Document 1 in a new window. The Word window. There are 6 important parts of the Word window: Title bar, the File tab, Document area, the Quick Access toolbar, the ribbon, Status bar. Title bar. The bar at the top is called Title bar. It displays the name of application, for example Microsoft Word, and the name of current document. There are 3 buttons at the right side of the title bar, named Minimize, Restore, and Close. The Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar is located at the upper left corner of the title bar, next to the Microsoft Word icon. It contains a set of commands that are independent of the tab that is currently displayed. You can add buttons that represent commands to the Quick Access toolbar. The File tab. The new design in Microsoft Office 2010 includes the File tab, replacing the Microsoft Office button included in Microsoft Office 2007. When you click the File tab, you will see the same basic commands available in earlier releases of Microsoft Office, such as to open, save, print, etc. The ribbon. The ribbon includes the toolbars and menus. It is designed to help you quickly find the commands that you need to complete a task. Commands are organized in logical groups, which are collected together under tabs. Each tab menu relates to a type of activity, such as writing or laying out a page. To reduce clutter, some tabs are shown only when needed. For example, the Picture Tools tab is shown only when a picture is selected. In the beginning, Home tab is selected that displays the most commonly used commands while typing the text and formatting it. If you select Insert tab, it starts displaying other tools that are related to insert picture, clip art, table, shapes, chart, or other things. Minimize the ribbon. There is no way to delete or replace the ribbon with the toolbars and menus from the earlier versions of Microsoft Office. However, you can minimize the ribbon to make more space available on your screen. When the ribbon is minimized, you see only the tabs. Always keep the ribbon minimized. Steps to minimize the ribbon. Click on Minimize the Ribbon button beside the Microsoft Word Help button on the upper right side, or press Ctrl+